I'm Scott from A GoGo, and today I'm going to do a different kind of a video. As a soap maker, I've learned from and been inspired by many other soap makers in the community. I watch their videos, read their blogs, and I've come to admire and respect them. And today, I'd like to thank them. I chose 3 of my favorite soap makers, all of whom inspire me in different ways, and I placed orders on their online shops. And now that I've received them, I'd like to share my experience with you. My first order was with Royalty Soaps. Katie Carson is the owner of Royalty Soaps, and their YouTube channel, as of this recording, has 670,000 subscribers. They're best known for their frosted soaps and decadent designs. Every month they have a new soap collection release, and it sells out in minutes. I was lucky enough to get an order in, and I received it about a week and a half later. These are the 3 soaps I got from Royalty Soaps. There's Aurora Dreams. This is piled high. She's got great embeds on here, and it smells really nice. Her scents aren't too overpowering, but they're definitely present. You can definitely smell them. And I'm really looking forward to using that one. This one is Dystopian Rainforest. These are all in her videos on YouTube, and this was actually really funny, I think. She picked a bunch of random ingredients for this. That smells really good too. And then Be Kind Artisan Soap. This one I think was inspired by a dress she saw on Pinterest. Their videos are incredibly entertaining. Even if you're not a soap maker, you have no interest in making soap, watch her videos. This is why she has so many subscribers. She's very positive, upbeat, funny, goofy. They're great videos to watch. The second order I placed was with Ophelia Soapery. Julie is the owner of Ophelia Soapery, and her designs are stunning and so well executed. She's the only soaper I've seen that uses the heat transfer method, which is when you pour your hot lye solution over your hard oils and butters to melt them. There are the soaps. All of them are wrapped in their own paper. They're a good chunky size too. Tea tree and peppermint was one. Lime, peppermint, and spearmint, always a favorite of mine. Orange and patchouli. Patchouli and citrus are such an amazing combo, and I do something similar with hippie soap that is patchouli and lime. On her site, when you order, you have the option to add gratuity, which I did, because again, I'm thanking them for all their great work, and she sent me a free bar of soap with it. So all in all, a really great experience purchasing from Ophelia's. My third order was with La Fille de la Mar, owned by Ariane Arsenault in the Magdalen Islands in Canada. I've been watching Ariane's videos probably longer than any other soap maker. I also attended a bath bomb session led by her and Lee Chen, owner of the Bath Bomb Press, at the 2019 Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetics Guild Conference in Dallas, Texas. She's a natural when it comes to teaching, and she's inspired me with her designs, the equipment she uses, and the local ingredients she utilizes from the Magdalen Islands. When I opened my box, I got a postcard with her logo and a cute little message written up top. And then I was able to get 4 of her soaps, which was really nice. The first one here is Canadian Glacial Marine Clay Soap. If you've ever used soaps with clays, you'll know how amazing they feel on your skin. And they're very detoxifying. Amazing set. The next one is Fresh Garden Mint Soap. I believe she used mint from her garden and did an infusion with it. And it's amazing. It smells so fresh, and I really love the color she uses too. Next one was Gulf Blue, and I had just watched her video of making this soon before I purchased it. The scent is absolutely stunning. Colors are gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to use these. And finally, this is the Salt and Kelp Spa Soap. This one I was most attracted to, and I've been looking at it for quite a while. It's like the color she uses, and I think it's the contrast of the black, blue, and white are just amazing together. And I've been trying to work on a salt and kelp bar myself, which has not quite come together yet. Amazing, all of them smell so good, and it's really great to feel that I am supporting these amazing artisans, and I hope you will too. So please check them out, and if you are able to, purchase something from their online shops, you will not be disappointed.